Hi everyone, welcome back to the 83 Air Gunner channel. I'm Luke. Today I'm just going to show you a knife that I've had in my collection for about 3 years now, and this is just a budget knife from Amazon. This is the Promithi vintage style folding knife. As you can see, it's quite a nice knife. Nice profile, and that's a stainless steel blade. I'll measure it soon, let you know how long it is. It's got a really nice floral design on the handle. A little lanyard attachment, lanyard hole. I'm not 100% on what the handle is. And you can see that it's got like a glittery, it's got a really nice marbly effect to it. It is a really nice finish. I mean, for £10, the quality on this knife it is good for £10. And it is quite secure to open and close, and it's quite, it does snap shut from so that's not going to open accidentally. And there's like a two-stage, one, it stops there and then you need to put more. It does also snap back to that position, so that's quite good. And then it opens fully. I'm not sure what kind of opening that is, but it is nice. It does feel quality, it does feel solid, and it's well worth £10. Again, that's the Promithi vintage style folding knife. I believe they're just a made in China knife. Some of the Promithi ones I've had actually have been bad quality, but this has been spot on actually. I was impressed with that, and I'd have there's another two different kinds in this collection, so I would have them as well if they're anywhere near the quality of these. The big few good knives to have. But so we'll give you the measurements of the blade and handle. Yeah, and I'll get round. So we've got 3 1/4, about 3 1/4 inch blade, and about a 4-inch handle. 7 1/4 inch overall. That's a nice size. Again, that's the non-locking folding Promithi vintage style budget knife from Amazon. I've had it about 3 years, but I think they were retailing at £10 at the time I bought it. I'm glad I bought it actually. That's a good one for the collection. And if you get the chance to buy one, I would recommend those. It is a nice knife. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone.